What color is the sun? Well, that is actually a more complex and difficult question than it may initially sound. The sun emits light across all the visible colors. When these come together united in sunlight, the sun appears white. So if you were close enough to the sun, which you can't actually do, you would be able to see its true color. That said, you might already know that you shouldn't look at the sun directly because the eyes can become damaged by the full strength of the sun. But at sunrise or sunset, the sun appears more red or orange. So why is that? It's because sun gets closer to the horizon, which means that the sunlight from it has to travel through more air before it's seen by our eyes, which then causes more of the bluer color in the spectrum to be removed. So the hazier the day, the more red is visible, because there's even less blue that's visible. The surface of the sun is around 10,000 degrees Fahrenheit, and when heat is emitted at such high temperature, it appears white to the human eye. So that's why if you were up close and personal the sun, which of course you can't be because of the heat, the sun would not appear yellow or orange, it would appear white.